Assalamualaikum and salam satu Malaysia. Today we are going to present our mini project. This is our topic, the study of microplastic occurrence in Terengganu River using density separation technique by Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, which is FTIR. Okay, my name Muhammad Suzaimi bin Mahyan.
And my name is Amirul bin Muhammad Safi.
Okay, and our supervisor is Dr. Paul Seng
Chi. Okay, for the introduction, what is microplastic? Microplastic is small particles of plastic found especially in the marine environment with size less than 5 millimeter. Okay. There are two types of microplastic, which is primary microplastic, secondary microplastic. For primary microplastic, it came from plastic that are manufactured, while secondary microplastic are the product of plastic degradation. Okay, our objective of research are firstly, to identify the changes of microplastic particles in Terengganu rivers by physical analysis and dissecting microscope. Secondly, to analyze and identify the microplastic particles in Terengganu river samples using Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, which is known as FTIR. Okay. Thirdly, to evaluate the microplastic in Terengganu river samples using statistical analysis. Okay, for the problem statement, firstly, once dispersed into the environment, they can be eaten by animals, including fish and shellfish, and consequently eaten as food by consumers. Secondly, with a very small microfiber and irregular shape, it can cause food web disturbance by swallowing in marine environments. Thirdly, microplastic can also be made intentionally and intentionally added to the product. In addition, some plastics contain harmful chemicals that can negatively affect human nature or health. Okay, lastly, therefore, this research need to be done to identify whether the microplastic particles in Terengganu rivers can be determined.
Okay, this is our methodology. Firstly, we will take our microplastic sample at the river Terengganu. Then we will put the sample into the ice box under 4 degrees Celsius. Then we go to the lab and do some sample pre-treatment. Then we go to the microscope, which is visual sorting. We want to know what is the microplastic in the sample. Then we go to the polymer identification, which is we will use FTIR. This is when we want to take the microplastic sample. Firstly, we will record the physical parameter, types and location approximately 1 kilometer from the course. Then we will feed the flowmeter to the plankton net. Then tow the plankton net along the surface of the water for 10 minutes at 2 knots. Then wash the net with the seawater and preserve sample at 4 degrees Celsius. Then this is our full procedure. Firstly, this is our sample. Then we go to wet sieve. The sample that below 3.0 0.3 micrometer, we will take it. The below than 0.5 micrometer, we will discard it or achieve. Below 0.3 micrometer, we will go to next step, which is mass total solids. Then we go to the peroxide, wet peroxide oxidation, and then after that we will go to density separation. After finish all the separation, we will go to microscope test, then FTIR, the last step. This is FTIR. This to analyze the microplastic particle using this FTIR. This is our Gantt chart. we just do this two thing and the next thing. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.